Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my first YouTube video. Today I wanted to do a review of the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I'm so excited to try this out because I have always wanted to learn how to diffuse my hair, but it seems like every time I do it, it turns out so frizzy and like flat. So I always prefer to air dry my hair, but my hair is so thick. Yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Like, I've been waiting all week. There's some settings right here I'll go over once I wash my hair and put the products in and everything. Using this diffuser attachment, of course. It's magnetic, so it just snaps on like that. Let me wash my hair because I just worked out and stuff. Okay, hi everyone, I'm back. I just plugged it in. So this right here is the on and off switch. This is the cool setting to cool down the air. This controls the airflow right here, and this is to adjust the heat setting. Yeah, this is gonna be my first time turning it on and all. So I need to figure out what setting I like. Yeah, I'm excited. So let's give it a try, and I will comment on everything that I like and dislike about this. So yeah, let's get it. So I am about to diffuse my hair. All right.
So here in this clip, I am just playing around with the settings, the heat and the airflow to see which I feel like would be okay for my hair. By the way, I actually found out that while you're diffusing curly hair, you should use the lowest airflow setting and low or medium heat. So yeah.
Okay guys, this blow dryer is drying my hair really fast. I literally only blow dried it for 4 minutes, and I would say it's about 30% dry. That's really fast in 4 minutes. So I'm gonna keep going, fast speed at a time. How long it takes to at least dry my hair like 80% or something like that. So yeah.
Okay guys, so while I'm diffusing my hair, I do continuously flip it over so I can try to get as much volume as I can, especially with this being my day one hair. I don't get a lot of volume, so yeah, I am flipping it over, scrunching it from the bottom to the roots and holding for about 10 seconds. And yeah, just flipping my hair over to the left and right, making sure to get the roots every time.
Okay guys, so my hair is like 90% dry, and that only took like 30 to 40 minutes. Not long at all. So my hair is still flat right now because of all the products I put in it, But after my hair dries, I like to take an oil to put in my hands to separate the curls and remove that hard cast. Part down here is still a little wet, so I'm just not really gonna touch it like that. But yeah, I love this blow dryer. Like, wow, I have never gotten good results off of diffusing like this before. Like, my hair is literally almost completely frizz-free. I don't expect it to be like 100% frizz-free, but yeah, it's only just a little bit right here and just a little tiny bit right there. But yeah, I literally have like barely any frizz. I'm gonna grab some oil to break this cast, and yeah, I'll show y'all what the end results look like. Okay, so hi everyone. My hair is dry now. It was about like 95% dry in the last clip. I had to go do a couple of things, so it's now like 100% dry. So to break the cast and to separate my curls a little bit more, I like to use this. Put this much in my hands and rub it together and just play in my hair. I love this part. It's my favorite. Okay. My curls are so defined. Like, I'm really in shock right now. Separate these two. Cute. Okay. This is how my hair looks. Okay, so now I guess I'm just gonna do a little review of the hair dryer and tell y'all what I think about it. So to be honest, when I first opened it up, I thought it was gonna be really confusing to operate, but it's actually very simple. I just had a really hard time trying to figure out these buttons and stuff. So this is the airflow and this is the heat. And this blow dryer also has a cool setting that you hold down like other blow dryers, so that's nice too. But yeah, I was really confused at first. But it lights up on the side so you can see like which setting it's at. I really like how it literally dried my hair completely without frizz in like 40 minutes max. That is not long at all, especially if you have really thick curly hair. That is not long at all. My hair is bouncy, frizz-free, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm super happy with this wash and go. Like, it looks amazing. Just gonna separate my curls a little bit more, and my hair is good to go. This blow dryer is great if you make last minute plans like me. Yeah, if my hair doesn't look good, I'm just scared to wash it because yeah, when my hair is air drying, it's really flat. But yeah, it also gave me some volume. Like, this is a lot of volume for day one. Usually my hair is like really flat like that day one. Yes, I'm in love. Like, buy this hair dryer. It's amazing. I can't wait to try out the other attachments when I do ever decide to straighten my hair or blow it out, if I got like braids or something, I feel like this blow dryer could get it like really straight. So yeah, eventually when I do decide to straighten my hair, I will film it so I can test this out with it. But yeah, I rate this blow dryer a 9 out of 10. Yeah, it's just so beautifully designed and it works so it's so beautifully designed and it works really well. So yeah, I recommend this. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about this blow dryer. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Check out the description. Follow me on my social medias. Yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to. And yeah, leave some requests for me too in the comment section. I can't stop touching my hair, it looks so good, but I still have oil on my hands, so it's not making it frizzy at all. But oh my gosh, like it looks amazing. I hope y'all could see the back. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, subscribe if you want to be on the lookout for my other videos. Thank you.